Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning two things. First is whenever you open a new email through Outlook, you must have noticed that a automatic footnote comes while sending an email. Suppose this is the footnote which comes automatically. Now in first part we'll learn how to create this and customize this footnote. And second, suppose you are working for two departments simultaneously. Now when you are working for department A, then you would be sending an email through that particular department, that is A. But when you are working for department B, then you would be sending an email for B department. So at the same time you will have to do the necessary changes. But in today's video I will show you how by use of a single click you can switch over between the two footnotes that you will be creating of your own. So let's start our video. See, first and foremost, what we'll do is we'll open a new email. As soon as we open a new email, we'll get a point over here named as signature. We'll click on that signature and we'll go to edit signatures. After going to edit signatures, this will come whatever the earlier person has made. So for the time being, to make you understand, I will simply delete these two. Now since I am going to create a new one, I will simply put a sign on this plus button. I'll simply click on this plus button. After this, I'll double click on this signature name, and for the department which I am working, suppose I am working for credit department, so I'll write here as credit department. Now what I'll do is I will do the necessary changes over here. So first and foremost, whatever things I have to write, I'll simply write over here. But since to save the time, I have already copied and paste. I have already copied this, so I'll simply copy this and I will paste this over here. Now having done that, I will do the necessary formattings over here. Suppose I want to make it as blue, and credit department I want to make it as green color. Okay, and I want to make this as bold, and Ranchi zonal office I'll make it as it is. Now having done this, I will again write here the signature name as credit department, and I will simply save this. Now this is I have made for credit department. Now when I am working suppose for GAD department, then again I will do the same thing. I'll click on this plus button, I will go to signature name, I'll type here as GAD department, and again I will simply copy this from here. If you have not made this, then you can directly go here and you can do the necessary changes by typing. Now suppose I want to insert a picture of mine over here, that also I can do. I will go to pictures, I'll go to picture from file, and I'll simply select the file which I want to insert. Now I'll just reduce the size of my picture. Okay, just a second. So this also you can very well do. I'll once again do it for you. I'll put the cursor over here and I'll again go to picture from file, and I will select the file and insert it. Now I will reduce the size according to my convenience, which would look better. And then again, suppose I am sending this email to my zonal office staffs or to my branches. I want to write a caption over there that stay home, or I'll just write stay safe hashtag and take care hashtag. and I'll make this as green color, and I'll also make it as bold. Now again I will save these changes that I have made, and now whenever I'll go to a new email, and when suppose I'll write my body over here, I'll write my subject over here, and now suppose I am sending it through credit department, then I have to do nothing, but I'll have to simply go to this signature parameter, and I will simply select here credit department, and as soon as you select here credit department, this automatically comes. And now if I am sending the email suppose through GAD department, then I'll simply select on this sign, and then I will go to GAD department and see my GAD department signature has come. So do apply this technique in your organization. It will save a lot of time of yours while drafting your names and all that in the footnote. So I hope this technique was useful to you. Take care. Thank you for watching the video.